Hi everyone, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Salam, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox my June Lady Raga bag. So here I have the box. I'm just going to open it and show you guys what products I got this time. By the way, if you are seeing this video today only like on 20th of June, then it's my birthday. Yay! Actually I'm filming on 19th, but this video will go live on 20th. So yeah, just thought of telling you that it's my birthday. So anyways, I'm just about to open this up and see. Alright, so this is what I got. This is like a silver pouch. I think they are giving like different pouches according to their choices. According to the people choices, they are like asking to fill form to select the bag. So I got the silver one. Let's just open and see what's inside. Alright, here I have an info card, and this is like a special bag this time. This is called Eco Box, and it's so like they have curated it specially, and it is a limited offer. So let's just check out what products I got this time. The very first product I see is okay, I think it's a lip gloss, and it's by Wet Slicks, and yeah, this is CoverGirl Wet Slicks, and this retails for 795 Indian rupees, and the shade I got is Zing Zest. So that's the first product I got. The second product I got is an eyeliner. I already have an eyeliner of similar brand, but that was the blue, but that was in the blue color. This is a black eyeliner, and this is waterproof. The amount of product I'm getting here is 6 ml, and it retails for 125 Indian rupees. This is how the liner looks like. So that's that. Now let's move on to the other product. The next product I see is a nail paint, and I really liked the color. This is by SU, that is Stay Quirky, and this is a Stay Quirky nail polish, and it retails for 88 Indian rupees. So yeah, this is how the color looks like. Really pretty color. It's like a lavender purple color. Loved the color. Alright, I'm just left with one last product, and it's a lipstick, and this lipstick is by Prestige, and the shade I got is in Sin, and it's a very pretty kind of like a metallic shade, kind of like a rose gold of color. And this Prestige cosmetic lipstick retails for 990 Indian rupees. So let me just check out the color. Oh, it's broken. Oh my god. It has no lipstick inside. Oh my god. Can you see? Focus. It has no lipstick inside. In fact, the lipstick is in the cap. So it's broken. Oopsie. Oh my god. Oh god. This lipstick is a mess. Look how the lipstick is. I am so glad I opened this lipstick up, because I was thinking to gifting it to someone. I'm so glad that I opened this lipstick up. This lipstick is total a waste, and this is like the most expensive product out of the whole range. Maybe I'll melt it and I'll use it. I'll keep it in a pot or something, and this is how the swatch looks like. It's like a rose gold metallic color. The color is really pretty, and the metallics are in right now, but it's broken. You can't even gift it to someone. Anyways, yeah, so these were the 4 things I got in this time's Lady Raga Eco Box, and they say this Eco Box is worth rupees 2,248 rupees. That's it for the Lady Raga bag for the month of June. I am not very excited about anything except for the lavender nail paint. Yeah, so for me it was like an okay kind of box, because my lipstick was also broken. So yeah, that's what I think about this bag. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, watching me for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button, help me grow, and I'll see you guys later in my next video. Till then, bye bye, stay beautiful and stay healthy.